Well, Microsoft was actually started about 12 years ago, and that was when I and my co-founder Paul Allen saw that the chip industry would be doing incredible things, that their ability to put more and more logic into a small area and sell it at a very low price would lead to very, very powerful personal computers. And so that trend is what created the industry, and it's what's continuing to push it forward. What eventually will happen is that everyone will have a personal computer on their desk, and you'll be able to get at company data, electronic mail, news information, budgets, forecasts. You'll be able to annotate people's memos and send them back. You'll be able to see the status of projects. We really believe that a personal computer will be valuable for everyone. We also believe that eventually it'll be worthwhile to have one in the home, but that's going to take a lot longer to make come true.